You're listening to Distraction Therapy with me, Rob Watson. On Saturday, I went to the Design Museum in London to see the NIGO from Japan with Love exhibition, and I captured some sounds and notes from the journey. It was one of those days when the city becomes part of the experience itself. The train, the museum, the shops, the walk between places, the stops for coffee, the way objects sit in glass cases, and the way they start to connect with memories of music, magazines, clothes, graphics and old records.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to our team or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
Hello, it's Rob. It's Saturday the 30th of May and I'm on the way down to London to visit the Design Museum. I'm going to go and see the exhibition NIGO from Japan with Love, which is the creative director who is street stylist, and it's an exhibition showcasing his creative work alongside vintage objects and traditional crafts from his personal collection. So he had a 30-year career and helped define some of the most influential trends in contemporary fashion, successfully crossing fashion, music, architecture and interior design, and there's something like 700 objects to look at. So we're just heading down on the East Midlands train to St Pancras, and then we're going to jump across to South Kensington on the tube. So really looking forward to it.
Is London St Pancras, which is our final stop.
The NIGO exhibition is about Tomoaki Nagao, better known as NIGO. He's usually described as a fashion designer, DJ, producer and collector, but that doesn't quite capture what he does. He seems to work more like a cultural editor, a bricoleur. He gathers things, he arranges them, he places Japanese street culture, hip-hop, vintage Americana, toys, graphics, ceramics, fashion and music into the same imaginative space. First track associated with this is The Very Urgent Dub by NIGO. This track comes from Ape Sounds, released in 2000, and sits in the late 90s and early 2000s world of mo-wax, dub, hip-hop, trip-hop, sampling and record collector culture. It doesn't feel like fashion music in the obvious sense. It feels more like a room full of objects, bass, echo, graphic fragments, things placed next to each other until they make a new atmosphere. This is one of the useful ways of thinking about NIGO. The clothing is only part of it. Beipu, Human Made, Tenzu, Teriyaki Boys, the shops, the collaborations, the archive, the records, the furniture and the ceramics, they're all part of a designated world. So we've arrived at the Design Museum and we're having a look around the exhibition. And it's, how do I describe it? It's a collection of artifacts and objects, all design based, fashion, shoes, ephemera, and it's all based on the NIGO collection. And I'm going to have to buy the book to get a good look and kind of make more sense of it, but it kind of covers, it's really interesting because he's 3 years younger than I am, and it covers a collection, kind of a whole wide, broad range, seeing it in that scope, that a period of time that you've lived through. And actually I think the kind of Japanese experience has lasted and endured, whereas the UK design experience has kind of got lost and hasn't maintained its any kind of integrity. So it's just really interesting to see the contrast, but I'll keep looking.
The next track is Feed Giving, which gives a slightly different feeling, less loud, less graphic, more drifting. I like the idea of using this here because the exhibition itself was not only about streetwear as surfers, it was about memory, collection and attention. You can look at a jacket, a shoe, a camouflage print, a toy, a record sleeve or a ceramic bowl, and each object holds a different kind of time. Some of it's youth culture, some of it's pop culture, some of it's craft, some of it's just the strange emotional charge that certain objects carry when they've been chosen carefully and kept for years.
Hallelujah, I'm so anxious, sit and wait on love-stained mattress. Static, static, I'm ecstatic. I'm the boss now, I won't panic. Are you reading, are you writing? I was cruel 'cause we were fighting. Television, handsome handshake, French hotel room, amyl nitrate.
The next connection is Cornelius, the project of Keigo Oyamada. Cornelius is important here because he represents another part of the Japanese sound world around NIGO. Highly designed music, full of reference points and sudden changes in texture. This is collage pop. This isn't music that tries to sound natural. It sounds assembled, edited, cut, polished and arranged. That's why it fits NIGO's world. It shares the same sense that culture is something you can collect, network and replay. Starfruit Surf Rider by Cornelius has a sharp, playful, almost graphic movement. It feels like music made from signs, fragments and bright surfaces. It kind of connects with the feeling of walking through the design museum and seeing how many different sources NIGO pulls together. There's a backstreet Harajuku story. This is hip-hop, this is vintage Americana, there's Japanese craft, there are toys, logos, jackets, shoes, furniture, ceramics. None of it's random, it's more like a carefully sequenced mixtape. This is where the distraction therapy idea comes in. Sometimes a journey is not about getting from one place to another. It becomes a way of changing perception. You move through the day with a slightly altered attention. Sounds become more noticeable. Objects become more charged. Music starts to organise the feeling of the day. Cho Large by Teriyaki Boys brings us into hip-hop's influence over NIGO. This is a global crossover. Tokyo, Harajuku, Farrell, the Neptunes, American rap production, Japanese MCs, and a very specific sense of style becoming sound. This isn't background music to the clothes, it's part of the same cultural system. The music, the graphics, the trainers, the shops and the videos all talk to each other.
You're so crazy, you're so crazy, you're so you're so crazy, you're so crazy, you're so crazy, you're so you're so crazy, you're so crazy, you're so crazy, you're so you're so crazy.
Far east to west, mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. 照り焼きの言葉ネプチューンズのビートヒートアップするバーゼシンクロ嫉妬するぐらいに Live and Large な俺らが教えてやる Who's in charge? Too large
So hard, so hard, you're so crazy, you're so crazy, you're so you're so crazy. So hard, you're so crazy, you're so crazy, you're so crazy.
超でかい腹の中叩いてドル箱アイドル眠ってる埋蔵金も掘り当てちゃう、ありがとうどういたしまして、このシューズのサイズは9ハーフあの時のミキロックのようにセクシャルただのエージェントじゃないぜテクニシャンそこの芸者ほらおしゃくしな
Yo, freaky な男の俺マシいるで一番 Got some see that's me 苦出てるいつだってドープだもん非常事態もうドラップしそう一度聞けばわかる You never forget us マイクチェック1フロアでか俺ら超ハイいつも熱出すむやみにタッチやけどしてアウト
金バッチより金バッチより輝き放っちまうどでかいペンダントトップ
マッチよりキンキラ銀さりげなくないとこがチャンプポイント
We got big jewels, big cars, big watch with a pair of big stars. Ice cream on an astronaut. You don't understand, mommy, we so large. This, that, big shit. Shake it like you ate shit. Shake it like you ate shit. Shake it like you ate shit.
Life is style is spectacular
伸び伸びになったタンクトップほら甘辛スパイシーはどうだい音のビッグマッソーの正体それはいいフォン照り焼きむちゃくちゃマッチョスタイルデリバリー繋いでく MIC 割れば世界一好きなアロマはペッパーミンマジで俺怒らしたらデンジャーゾーンやつがフェイドインパスとマイキャー
Tell you about a story like 熊波金銀財宝で立ちくらみするぐらいの I'm a rich man やりたいことやるぜ Catch me if you can 挨拶代わりにばらまく万冊切符買わずに取る改札 I'm like the king with all the bling bling 朝目覚ましが鳴るよ ring ring Wow 夢かよ just a dream All I've got is a pair of ice creams でも俺の宝内に秘めた超ラージなスキルがあるからいつの日かぶち当たるゴーマン磨くスキルで I'm gonna shine
We got big jewels, big cars, big watch with a pair of big stars. Ice cream on an astronaut. You don't understand, mommy, we so large. This, that, big shit. Shake it like you ate shit. Shake it like you ate shit. Shake it like nigga ate shit. Ain't that a B-I-T-C-H? Look what the boy did, hanging with the pre-mates. Okay, niggas, hope you had your V8s. That 10 milli tag dangling from that PH. They call the Cloud City cause you can't see for everything. I can see Miami through the eyes of a pelican. My pictures past the Dutch like it ain't no budget. Blowing all the sand off that Louis luggage. The sand that's from the Dominican Republic. I want some chopper boat, the boat back to chopper like fuck it. CEOs go dig for my nugget, but my mind's protected by hammers, you can't touch it. Niggas can't do this and that is that. They went from check to check, nigga, I'm jet for jet. Can cover my moves with a stencil or etch a sketch. Niggas, you ain't even close, shake it up and reset. Yes, I shop till I drop in Rapungi Hills. But don't follow shit, ain't none free chill. If I ask B to blast that gun, he will do anything to protect Carl and son of these mills. That include aiming where he feel. Headed ass stretched out, straw sucking free meals. I am what I am, nigga, them no liar. 1.1 stock rims on tires. Okay, fuck it, I'm an Enzo buyer. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead, baby. We got big jewels, big cars, big watch with a pair of big stars. Ice cream on an astronaut. You don't understand, mommy, we so large. This, that, babe, shit. Shake it like you ate shit. Shake it like you ate shit. Shake it like you ate shit.
So hard, so hard, you're so crazy, you're so crazy, you're so you're so crazy. So hard, so hard, you're so crazy, you're so crazy, you're so crazy. You're so crazy, you're so crazy. You're so crazy. You're so crazy.
喧騒まみれこの街の演奏玉たまま一度ついておいで世界中魅了するほどに豪華なジャパン一番ジャンプアランさうちらの出番テリヤキボーイズ in the place to be 見せてやろうオリジナル VIP
Many many diamonds dangling Bag full of money we strangling Hate me, fry me, bake me, try me All the above cause you can't get in I don't want no problem Because me professional Make you shake your cats Thank you Haters take it personal
Like a Canada 対鉄をネオトークを熱望なっちま前に熱を発散しきちまおうぜ Let's go Let's go ぜひレギュラーラブから Let's go 20は Go じゃない NIGO 入力するのぜひ Pinpoint
I wonder if you know how that it be Tokyo If you seen it then you mean it then you know you have to go
はい私テリヤキボイスあっという間吹き飛ばすノイズ慢心してますんでゲットペンの数も増えてますベーシックはサプライズでマジ毎日が危ないぜ忍者風賢者風だけど芸者フェイクの惑星からのシャ
See me in the parking lot 7-Eleven is the spot Bikes with wings and shiny things and lions, tigers, bears, oh my ride We fierce and fast, supersonic like JJ Fatten We ride till the wheels are flat Can't beat that with a baseball bat
なんか不安休暇遠さ待てばいいぜ即歳要インターセプターして国際的犯罪は万歳ほらハンザーファレルがボムコストをドク出す今夜の4 boys from Far East Coast どうさ最後
私のゴースト I wonder if you know how that it be Tokyo If you seen it then you mean it then you know you have to go
Yeah 一番毎日ドキドキですヒートアイランド飛び飛びで燃える用紙でぼちぼちね玉ねぎで誘うこっちこっちへヒートアップで通りそう街中滑って乗り込むめっちゃ借りもんだってシャーごちゃごちゃファストやフーラス
It's gotta be the shoes, gotta be the furs That's why ladies choose me All up in the news cause we so cute That's why we so huge Harajuku girls know how I feel Daily spec I keep it real Not a China man cause I ain't from China man I am Japan man
私は時を好き
You see NIGO coming out of the black pants as a laugh You wonder where he get that kind of money
時を好き
Don't worry about it
なったの車捨て
Let's go I wonder if you know how that it be Tokyo If you seen it then you mean it then you know you have to go Wonder if you know how that it be Tokyo If you seen it then
Tokyo Drift by Teriyaki Boys is probably an obvious one, but it still works. Tokyo Drift becomes the track that many people recognise, even if they don't know the wider NIGO story. It turns the whole thing into motion, cars, neon, Tokyo as a global image, street culture as cinema, hip-hop as design language. One last track influenced by NIGO. Hiroshi Fujiwara is a quieter but more essential figure behind the story of NIGO. He's a DJ, designer, cultural connector, and one of those people who helped shape the Harajuku streetwear environment that NIGO emerged from. If NIGO gives us the archive of atmosphere, Fujiwara gives us the idea of cultural transmission, records, clothes, friendship, fragments, signals passed from one scene to another.
Watching the silver moonlight, it's streaming in through the window. Watching the folds of the curtain moving so gently in the breeze, hearing the constant hissing, the white noise of the TV set, watching the lights of the buildings, the flashing red night sky, or in this room of mine, sitting so still, I'm hardly breathing. I'm just waiting for the faintest sign of you. You will return to me someday. That's what I'm trying to tell myself. Alone I sit on this sofa. You know, without you it feels so cold. But in this room of mine, sitting so still, I'm hardly breathing. Yet another sleepless night ahead of me. And somewhere in the distance, I hear the sound of laughing. The photograph on the white wall is bringing back memories so sweet. Oh, in this room of mine, sitting so still, I'm hardly breathing. I'm just waiting for the faintest sign of you.
So this small section's been a sonic response to NIGO from Japan with Love at the Design Museum. The sounds around the journey matter as much as the tracks. The station, the museum, the city, the notebook, the cameras, the pause between places. This is the space where music becomes more than music. It becomes a way of holding the day together. You've heard tracks from NIGO, Cornelius, Teriyaki Boys, and Hiroshi Fujiwara. This is Distraction Therapy with me, Rob Watson.
Climaxing the epic series which made motion picture history comes the last.
Thanks for listening to Distraction Therapy with me, Rob Watson.
して君と喋りたいまだ間に合うはず地平線を知りたくてゴミ山登る